My name Geoff. Yeah, let's get it.
And who are you? The proud Lord said that I must bow so low. Only a cat.
Yo, as a Game of Thrones fan, I really appreciate this, Geoff. Like, this is, I'm not gonna lie, this is actually pretty damn cool. Let's go back.
Proud Lord said that I must bow so low.
Wow.
Only a cat of a different coat. That's all the truth I know.
Oh.
In a coat of gold or a coat of
Who the fuck is that? Who the fuck is that? Is there two of them? Yo. You can only do that if your name is Geoff. Let's do this.
Lion still has claws, and mine alone.
Wow.
Sharp, my lord, as long
I see 4.
sharp as
I count 4. Am I tripping? I see 4. Okay, let's do this.
sharp as yours. And so he spoke, and so he spoke, the Lord of Castamere.
I like it.
Now the rains weep o'er his hall, with no one there to hear. Yes, now the rains weep o'er his hall, with not a soul to hear.
Oh shit! What's that? I love it. You know, it's not too often I get to see like him fluctuate between the lows and the highs, but I gotta say this is actually kind of nice. Like, just because I pay more attention to his deep, more fluctuations, but this is kind of nice. Yo, let's see this. What she got? All right.
And so he spoke, the Lord of Castamere. But now the rains weep o'er his hall, with no one there to hear. Now the rains weep o'er his hall, with not a soul to hear.
Stop, Geoff! Wait, what? No! It's over? It's over? Come on, I thought you were Geoff. No! I was just getting excited. That was amazing, though. Just want it to be longer. That's what she said. God. How deep can you go, Geoff? That's also what she said. Oh, stop it. Oh, God. Thank you guys for watching. I'm sorry. I enjoyed that. I hope you did as well. Oh, my goodness. I just felt like it was too short. That's what she... Okay, I'm stopped. Okay. All right. Yes. I loved it. I loved every second of it. That's what she... Oh, God. I'm stop. Please like and share. Thank you guys for watching. Random Tom is out.